Can an LLC accept donations? Generally, no. An LLC is a for-profit business structure, so it cannot accept tax-deductible charitable donations like a nonprofit can. If someone gives money to your LLC, it's treated as income or an investment, not a donation. That means the person giving money does not get a tax deduction, and you have to report it as part of your business earnings. If you want to raise money for your LLC, you can do so through loans, membership investments, or by bringing in partners. These funds are documented as contributions or equity, not donations. Accepting money as donations could cause tax issues or confusion with the IRS, since your LLC is not recognized as a charitable entity. The only exception is if your LLC is structured as a nonprofit LLC under state law and has obtained 501c3 tax-exempt status from the IRS. In that case, it can accept donations that are tax-deductible. But most standard LLCs do not qualify for this. Zen Business can help you form a nonprofit organization if your goal is to accept charitable donations. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.